These two men had a serious disagreement. It all started when the elderly man, feeling a bit tired, decided to sit down there, but the homeowner didn't like that at all.
Okay, well, this is private property. You have to leave immediately.
Okay, I will. I'm not. You don't need to get all jacked up about it.
No, I'm getting jacked up because what are you doing?
I'm just sitting here.
Yeah, this isn't your private property. This is ours. All right, get the fuck out of here. Yeah, we'll keep walking home. I'm getting there. Hurry up! Yeah, shut the fuck up.
Who is that on the front porch?
I have no idea. This guy's sitting here. I have no idea.
I started talking to him. I thought maybe it was Tommy or somebody that's coming to work. Just some old guy sitting on the front porch.
I'm tired of people invading our property.